back to my YouTube channel! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Araneta Coliseum para manood ng D10 concert ni Darren. Yes! Dito na tayo sa loob ng Araneta and katabi ko ngayon si Gorgeous Vera. So Gorgeous, ano na bang nararamdaman mo ngayon na malapit na magsimula ang concert ni Darren? Kasi last time, di ba, sa ASAP lang natin siya napapanood. Pero ngayon, nandito na tayo sa Araneta. Go, magsalita ka, ito ang mic.
Well, I don't feel any pressure right now because my friends and family are here supporting. Pero siya excited. Sobra! Ayun o.
Sige ka, pakita mo kung gaano ka ka-excited.
Watching the skies. Do you really wanna live forever? Forever, forever, forever. I wanna be forever young. Turn on the lights in here, baby. My bones, maraming salamat po for being part of my 10th anniversary concert. Grabe po, kayo po talaga ilan sa mga taong bata pa lang ako. I've been watching you guys. Isa po kayo sa mga inspirasyon ko. Sa lahat, maraming salamat Tito Oaks. Nakikita niyo po, napaka-clingy talaga namin. Pero hindi po talaga ako nagkamali sa mga iniidolo. You know, you've inspired a lot of us, not just here in the music industry, but also in my personal life. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for being an inspiration.
You know, I think that at this point, Darren, you're standing on this stage, and you are the inspiration for many of us.
Yes.
Many of us people.
Tingnan mo naman. Grabe ang tangkad yung tatlo, no? Nakita ko rin eh. Yan mo, Darren, nalulula ako. Nalulula ako doon sa taas. No, pero nalulula ako sa dami ng nagmamahal sa'yo. Grabe.
Grabe.
So proud.
Darren, I just have to say, thank you for not calling me Tito. Maraming salamat dahil Kuya lang.
Tito Eric, Tito Gary, Kuya Ogie.
Next time po. Huwag natin binabago ang script, Kuya. Hindi. Alam mo, everybody with me na you are the best male performer of your generation.
Yes.
You are. Salamat. Tama, di ba? Kaya, alam mo, ang advice ko lang sa'yo is to just continue to hone your craft, continue to love the people who love you. Ang dami-dami nila, grabe. And continue to love what you do. And you will go places even more.
Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations.
Ako gusto ko paglaki ko. Nakakatawa yun? Gusto ko maging katulad mo, Darren. You're such a good person. You're so humble. You're so hardworking. Napakasipag po nito. Napaka-generous. Keep being the way you are. We love you, Darren. We
Thank you
love
po. Salamat Tito Og.
You know, I think one of the most important things tonight is that kaya nandito silang lahat dahil maliban sa pagiging extremely good looking,
Wow!
I think more than that is
Nagmana
that
po sa inyong
nararamdaman
tatlo.
na
Nagmana po ako sa inyong
Oh, buti
tatlo.
alam mo. Ganun talaga. Banda rito eh, banda rito.
banda doon. Banda dito naman tayo dahil
Oo, dito naman tayo.
natin sa kanilang lahat eh. No, what I want to say is that I think one big reason why people love you and people of all ages are here tonight, but it's because of this, Darren. It's your sincerity, it's your authenticity sa ginagawa mo on stage. And that's not easy to come by nowadays. You are not here to impress people, you are here to just express what's in your heart. At parang nadadama nilang lahat yan. I've been around for 40 years, and you're around for 10 years. I'm hoping I can still be around on your 40th year.
Wow! Oo naman po, Tito Gab.
Because you're still going to be strong, if not even stronger than you are today.
Thank you po.
So
Maraming
proud
salamat.
of you talaga.
Thank you po. It really means so much. I would have never imagined again na, syempre, I'd be on the stage with all three of you. It means so much. Maraming salamat po ulit from the bottom of my heart for saying yes to being a part of my 10 years, for celebrating it with me here tonight. Thank you po.
This took a long time to do, guys. Anyways, Kuya, I'm so proud of you. I hope this is waterproof. When I was sitting here and I was watching you perform your first few songs, like your prod, I remember I almost cried. That's why if anyone saw me, I was like, I was just looking up. I was trying not to cry. Because it's crazy seeing how 10 years ago,
It's crazy.
it's crazy. No, it's crazy seeing how 10 years ago, you probably would have never thought you would be performing, having a sold-out concert, doing all of this. You would have never thought that, wow, I can do that. But now, here you are. And I'm so proud to call you my brother. I'm so proud that you've made it and that you've got your dream.
Thank you.
And I just want you to know that, no, it's not easy being your sister, but I love you so much, and I will always love you, no matter what, because you were my biggest inspiration, and you're my everything. You're the reason why I'm here today, and yeah, I love you so much.
I love you. Thank you, Lynette. Batiin mo yung mga kaklase mong pinanood mo.
Batang
School mo din alam mo.
Di mo siya.
Oh, ayun sila. Hi ka.
Hi guys! So, to all my friends who got to make it out here,
Thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you so much. To Ezra and to Ralph. To my teacher, Miss Chanko, we got to be here. Thank you so much for coming po. For Ezra, who got the tickets and everything.
Thank you guys.
May.
Yeah, thank you Mom and Dad. Maraming salamat po. And yeah, thank you so much for doing that with me. Again, ladies and gentlemen, my family, thank you. Maraming salamat
I love
po.
you,
Of
Darren.
course, Ate Sara, thank you so much for making this dream collaboration come true. And maraming salamat po syempre for, you know, all the tips and everything you've taught me.
Wala yun!
Yeah.
Ikaw lahat yun!
Opo, share ko lang po, of course, when I invited Coach Sara to be part of my 10th anniversary, talagang nag-guest po talaga siya agad. And it means so much to me.
Kunin ko lang yung towel mo.
Ah! Thank you po.
Yan po. Hi, Sir Song!
Thank you po. Thank you po.
I just wanna say, Darren, nahihiya man ako magsalita. Pero, Darren, mahal na mahal ka namin. We all know how amazing you are as an artist, as a vocalist. You are amazing. Pero, what made me love you so much more is your heart. Grabe yung puso mo, Darren. Every time I would see you, napaka-genuine ng happiness lang every time na nakikita tayo. Sobra akong bilib na bilib sa'yo, sa humility mo, Darren. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam kong maraming dekada pa ang tatagal mo dito sa industriya. If you remain humble, despite your greatness.
Thank you po.
I love you.
I love you too. Maraming
10
salamat.
years! 10 years na ka ngayon! Ang tangkat mo!
Thank you po. I love you so much po. Thank you po. Grabe.
Galing mo, Darren!
Thank you. Give it up once again for Sara Geronimo! Cause I remember how much you loved to dance and hold my own hand. To all the things I should have done, I could love me better when I was a man. I could love me better. To all the things I should have done then when I was a man. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Vice Ganda! What's up, Batlang people? Maraming salamat, Ate Vice, for being here tonight. Grabe yung paandar mo. Hindi ka naman nag-ready masyado para dito, no?
Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung nakakatuwa yun para sa ibang tao itong suot ko, hindi. Kasi, bago ako pumunta rito, magkasunod kami na magkatabi kami ng dressing room ni Sir Gary. Kumatok ako, magbibigay pugay ako. Pagbukas ng pinto na takot, oh! Kinatahan ko na lang siya. Sabi ko, huwag kang matakot, huwag na bahala. Natakot siya, Guy.
Oh.
Pero syempre, concert mo.
Yes.
Special.
Opo.
Hindi pwede putyo-putyo. Nakakaya mo sa audience mo. Buo ka ng crowd tonight.
Oo naman. Mabigat ba tong headdress mo?
Diba? Ha?
Mabigat ba to?
Mabigat, pero mas may mabigat pa akong dinadala kaysa dyan, kaya hindi ko dali naman siya nararamdaman. Dahil nga special ka, kailangan special ang itsura ko. Hindi tayo pwede pupunta rito na akala mo naman manonood o kung saan lang tayo pupunta. Kailangan special dahil itong gabing ito ay hindi mo makakalimutan. Hindi namin makakalimutan. Kaya dapat tayo din mismo, ako mismo, pag nakita nila ako, hindi ako pwedeng forgettable. Kailangan itong itsura ko.
Yes!
Diba? Ganun yun, pag magko-concert ka, since hindi ito ang last mo, makinig ka sa akin. Kasi ilang beses ko na itong pinuno, alam ko na ang mga ginagawa.
Oo naman. Ilang beses mo na napanood?
Madami na. Actually, same date tayo. Dito rin ako last year.
Oh, yes, true.
Oo. Puno din yung sa akin kasi sinabay ko sa bigayan ng 4-piece at saka tupad. Kaya ang dami nakapila. May pa-NMA rice pa ako doon. Kaya puno-puno ako rito. Kaya yon sa mga performers, sa mga artists, pag ganito kalaki yung venue, you have to make sure that what you do is very special, extra special. Yung itsura nyo mismo kailangan extra special. Kailangan hindi ka forgettable. Kailangan hindi ka nila pwedeng makalimutan sa ginagawa at sa itsura mo pa lamang. Na kahit si Mayor Alice Go, hindi ko makakalimutan. Sa itsura ko ngayon, pag sinend ko kay Alice Go, tingnan ko kung makalimutan niyo to after 10 years.
Hindi ka na makakalimutan talaga?
Oo.
Hindi niya masasabi yun kayo, your honor.
Pero yung mga ganitong itsura, hindi ito bumabagay sa lahat. Kailangan to inaaral. Katrin, tawang-tawa, Katrin, ha? Pero, naku, ikaw talaga?
Oh,
ang laki-laki mo na, no? Ano, dati, Diyos ko, ang liit-liit mo. Paano mo nakitang nakilala? Nag-guess ka sa GG ngayon, ang laki-laki mo na. Ang dami mo nang ipinapakitang kakaiba. Yung huling sayaw mo kanina, yung nagkagano. Diyos ko!
Sabay.
Pag ako nagko-concert dito, naka 1,000 jokes na ako, hindi pa nagtitigalan. Pero ikaw gumano ka lang.
Siyempre naalam ko yun sa showtime, kakakadlag yun ni Kuya Joe.
Nagwala yung mga tao nung gumano ka. Nakita ko si Alora, nagtakip ng muka. Na para bang miss na miss niya na yung mga gano'n, na ang tagal niya ng hindi nakita. Diba? Pati si Dr. Vicky Bello, Diyos ko, nung gumanong ka, nagpa-schedule ng ultrasound. Grabe! Nung gumanong ka talaga, nakita ko si Dr. Bello, pinicture no? Tapos pagpikit ni Hayden, Zino. Kaya di ba ito, Dax, di ba, Doktora?
Mas okay na yun.
Pero ang galing. Paano ulit yung paano yung ganun? Ay, hindi. Hininaan mo, mas malakas yung kanina. Tapos may babae kang ginanon eh. Paano, Alora, ni ka, ginawa na ito sa babae kanina. Ginawa na yung kanina. Siyempre, Alora, ikaw na lang pwede kasi ako may asawa na ako. Si Chi, may something. Si Catherine, tahimik lang siya, dyan lang siya, hindi siya pwede tumayo. Tahimik lang siya, masakit din ko dyan, hindi siya pwede tumayo. Alora, dito sa taas para makita na nakakarami. Diyos ko, kailangan, yung ganyang mukha, dapat nakikita ng lahat. Yung ganyang kaganda, huwag mo yung tinatago yan. Ayan, oh, nakita mo yung kanina, di ba may partner siya, tapos nagaganon siya. Oh, paano yun?
Bakit? Ba't ko nakakaabang?
Wala pa man din, handang-handa ka na. Paano yun? Paano yun? Oh. Nakatalikot yung babae doon. Nakatalikot? Ano ba?
Naka siya dito.
Ay, nakasandal doon. Sumandal ka. Tapos, ayaw. Naku, mabibitin si Alora. Huwag ka mag- Akong bahala. Sa akin ka. Uy, wala kang lugi dito. Kabayo to, gago. Sumusi ka pa sa akin, Alora, ha? Uy! Hindi, seriously, congratulations!
Thank you, ate. Grabe.
I love you very much. So, gines po ako rin dito ni Darren, tapos ako yung nilagay dito sa last guest. Kasi syempre, pag ganitong oras, medyo inaantok na, para magpatawa lang. Kailangan mo mapayaso ng ganitong oras. But seriously, congratulations. I love you. I am very proud of you. The entire Showtime family is very proud of you.
Thank you, Meme.
And we are so grateful na part ka na ng Showtime family.
Thank you po.
Sana nag-enjoy ka everyday with us.
Yes, after nitong concert, makakabalik na ako sa Monday.
Ayan, please.
Oo,
Pero
maraming
mahal na mahal ka namin, mag-iingat ka lagi. Gawin mo lahat ng gusto mo na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, makakapagpapasaya sa'yo, sa fans mo, sa pamilya mo, sa lahat ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Ang dami mong pinakita tonight, sumayaw ka ng matindi, kumanta ka ng matindi, lahat. Parang pinakita mo na lahat, iskandal na lang inaantay namin.
Uy, oh!
Charot lang.
Dito yung magulang ko.
Ha? So, sinong may gusto? Yung ticket nyo, di ba may ticket kayo kanina, pakikip kasi ira-raffle kung kanino isa-set.
Anong nakalagay sa ribbon?
Ayan, nagmamahal, wak wak wak. Wak 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 wak. Okay, so ako yung pupunta na po sa likod, ibibigay ko ng entablado ulit sa pinagmamahal natin, si Darren Espa.
Maraming salamat, ate. I love you so. Dadalhin mo yan?
Self-service dito, wala tayong budget.
Thank you, Meme.
Diyan ka pala, matingin ako na doon, putang.
Ako na once again, Meme Vice Ganda!
Running 'cause you're taking me there, don't you know? You see me out of control. We can do this all night, something I don't see right. Baby, come on. Put me like a bass drum.
Hi guys! So kakatapos lang ng D10 concert and mahalata nyo na naman sa boses namin. Medyo paos-paos kami. Next year ulit D11. D11 naman daw next year. So medyo sakit sa lalamunan pero sobrang enjoy. Thank you so much, Gorgeous Vera. Hey! Bibitaw na! Scream! Gorgeous Vera, nag-enjoy ka ba sa concert ngayon?
Sobra.
Sobra.
Next year ulit D11.
Sobra po kami nag-enjoy. Maraming salamat po.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my